Looking to upgrade your Mercedes-Benz interior with cutting-edge technology? Meet the Navirider 12.3-inch LCD Smart Dashboard, custom designed for GLC and C-Class models with NGT 5.0. This advanced digital cluster features a high-definition QLED display with anti-fingerprint and anti-glare coating. Whether it's bright sunlight or night driving, the screen remains sharp and visible at every angle. Powered by automotive-grade high-performance chips, the Navirider dashboard boots instantly and responds quickly to every input, offering seamless performance every time you start your car. It's not just about looks. This dashboard gives you powerful smart features. Enjoy wireless parking assist, voice-controlled navigation, and hands-free calling, all integrated to help you drive safer and smarter. One of the standout features is the dual-camera driving assistance. A front view and right side view help eliminate blind spots and improve maneuvering in tight spaces. Switch between multiple driving modes to match your driving style, whether you're cruising in comfort or pushing performance in sport mode. And yes, it's fully compatible with your vehicle's original data. You'll still have access to real-time trip information, fuel consumption, speed, and other essential metrics, all displayed in a clean, modern interface. Crafted with a durable high-strength shell, this upgrade is built to last, protecting the internal components from daily wear and tear. It's a true plug-and-play replacement that adds both luxury and functionality to your ride. If you want to bring your Mercedes into the modern age with a premium digital instrument cluster, the Navirider 12.3-inch LCD dashboard is the perfect upgrade.